You're going to fall multiple times, and nobody warned you it would feel like this, but it will. There are moments in a man's life that break him open. Not accidents, not bad luck. Canon events. The kind you can't skip, can't fast forward through. The universe has a curriculum, and you're enrolled whether you signed up or not. Let me tell you about the 4 that changed everything. Number 1, falling for the wrong woman. You'll know her when you meet her. She'll feel like the answer to a question you didn't know you were asking. You'll give her everything, your time, your focus, your vision of the future. You'll ignore the red flags because her smile makes them disappear. You'll convince yourself this is different, that she's the one. And then it'll end. Maybe she'll leave. Maybe you'll finally see what everyone else saw from the beginning. Either way, it's going to hurt in a way you didn't know was possible. You'll lie awake replaying conversations, wondering what you could have done differently. You'll see her ghost in every song, every place you used to go together. But here's what you don't realize yet. She wasn't sent to stay. She was sent to teach. That love you gave her, it wasn't wasted. It was just misdelivered to the wrong address. And that's okay, because one day, maybe a year from now, maybe 5, you'll look back and realize something. If you didn't go through that, you wouldn't be the man you're becoming. She was the lesson that unlocks the blessing. You'll meet someone later who makes you grateful it didn't work out, someone who actually sees you, and you'll understand why the universe had to break your heart first. Number 2, the rock bottom realization. This one's brutal because it happens slowly, then all at once. You've been blaming everything around you, the economy, your boss, your parents, your friends who don't support you. The world feels rigged, and you're just a victim of circumstances. You keep waiting for things to improve, for someone to notice your potential and hand you the life you deserve. But nothing changes. You hit rock bottom once, then twice, then you lose count. And one night, maybe at 3 a.m. when you can't sleep, the truth hits you like a freight train. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not a lucky break, not the government. Nobody. The problem wasn't out there, it was in here. Your bad habits, your excuses, your ego protecting you from the hard truth, your fear of actually trying, because what if you fail? At least right now, you can still say, I could have made it if I really tried. But time is running out. You look around and everyone else is living the dream while you're stuck in a never-ending nightmare. Your old classmates are buying houses, your friends are traveling, your ex is thriving, and you're still exactly where you were 2 years ago. This moment kills you. It has to, because something new needs to be born. That brings us to the 3rd arc, the self-improvement arc. Welcome to the get back. This is where boys become men, and most men stay boys, because this part requires something you've been avoiding your entire life, suffering on purpose. You start small, one bad habit at a time. You're reprogramming your mind like it's a computer with corrupted files. Delete the victim mentality. Delete the pornography addiction. Delete the late-night scrolling. Delete the comfort seeking. Install discipline. Install delayed gratification. Install early mornings and cold showers and doing things when you don't feel like it. The gym becomes your church. When your mind says one last rep, your body does 10 more, because you're not training your muscles anymore. You're training your mind to stop negotiating with weakness. Everyone else clocks out of their 9 to 5 and goes home to Netflix. You clock into your 5 to 9, because $2,000 a month isn't going to cut it. $2,000 a month isn't going to retire your parents or give you options or buy back your time. You need 10K minimum, hustle or die mindset. You read books, you watch less, create more. You cut off the friends who drain you. You become obsessive about your craft. People call it extreme. You call it necessary. And slowly, painfully, you start to see it. The version of yourself you always knew was in there. Stronger, sharper, focused. The man you were supposed to become. You kill the boy and let the man be born. And the final arc? Falling for the wrong woman again. Yeah, this one's coming too. Because here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't learn the lesson the first time. The universe sends the same test in different packaging until you finally pass it. She'll be different from the first one. Different hair, different smile, different story, but the same lesson. And this time it'll hurt more because you thought you knew better. You thought you'd healed from the first one. You thought you'd changed. Maybe you have. Maybe this time you recognize it faster. Maybe you walk away sooner. Maybe you finally understand that some people are just meant to pass through your life, not stay in it. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you need to feel it one more time to really get it. Either way, it's part of the path. These aren't failures, they're initiations. Every man who's ever built something real has been through them. The heartbreak that taught him discernment, the rock bottom that taught him accountability, the grind that taught him discipline, the relapse that taught him patience. You can't skip Canon events, you can only go through them consciously. So when you're in the middle of one right now, when it feels like the universe is against you, remember this: it's not punishing you, it's preparing you. The man on the other side of this is someone you haven't met yet, but he's worth the pain. And one day, you'll be telling your own version of this story to someone else who needs to hear it. If this hit different, hit that like button. Share it with a brother who needs this right now. Drop a comment with which Canon event you're in, and subscribe because we're just getting started. The journey continues.